How to find your Chase Bank routing number and account number. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to look out for it very safely. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So if you want to do it from your online account, you can head over and enter up your username and password first in the login page and click on login and sign in first. We can just head over and under accounts tab, we can look out for this option called, you can just head over and go to the accounts tab and look out for this option called see full account number and click on it. And then when you will be looking out for your account details, you will be seeing your routing number and your account number and many other account info as well. Routing number depends on your state and reason, so do not assume the same number for all the accounts, and keep your account number very private and never share it publicly as well. And you should be able to find it this way. Apart from that, you can find it from a check as well. The first 9 digits on the bottom left of the check, and that's your routing number, and right beside it the next set of numbers in the middle is your account number, and last, this section right here on the far right is our check number. But usually this is how you should be able to find your Chase Bank routing number and account number. You can follow up this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.